Hello everyone, you're welcome to my class. I'm Prince Keys, as you know, and on this class I will teach you how the accidentals, which are the black keys, flattens or reduce the natural keys gradually. On the previous class I taught you how they increase it such that if you have an accidental immediately after a natural, it sharpens it. Now, to flatten a natural key, an accidental has to be before the natural key. I repeat, to flatten a natural key, the accidental has to be before the natural key. So it's a very simple thing. Sharp is ahead. That's sharp is when an accidental is after a natural key, while flat is when the accidental is before the natural keys. Let's come to the keyboard. If this is the key of C, you can see that there's what's before it is the board itself. So we'll go forward. If this is the key of D, if we are trying to take it backward, look at what's before it. This is what? There's an accidental before it. So we can call this D flat. Do you understand? Don't get confused with the sharp and the flat. The sharp and the flat are actually different key nomenclature, different key name that expresses the position of the accidental in relation to the natural keys. You understand? So it's more like if you are ascending on the keyboard, that's if you're going this way, the black keys you're coming across, because they are after the natural keys, they are sharp, 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 sharp. But then if you're coming this way on the keyboard, it becomes flat, 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 flat. I'm trying to make this as simple as possible for you so you can grab. You understand? So any black key you see behind the natural key, it flattens that natural key. So let's go from here. If this is key C, don't forget we are descending. C, this becomes B. You understand? If this is B, since there's an accidental before B, it becomes B flat. You getting it now, right? Then this is A, this becomes A flat. This is G flat. You understand? F, E flat. This is D flat. Key C, key B flat. So that's how it continues until it gets to the end. So an accidental can actually have two names depending on the natural that is before and after it. For example, this accidental here, the natural key after it is B, so we can call it B flat. You understand? B flat. To the left is flat, but the white key behind it is A, so we can also call it A sharp. So to the right is sharp, while to the left is flat. I want you to calm down and absorb this knowledge. These are the foundation, the introduction to basic keyboard, and if you can understand this very well, everything will be very easy as we proceed from here. So this can be A sharp or B flat. When an accidental is after a natural, when the black key is after the white key going forward, it is called the sharp of the natural key. But when the accidental is before it, when as in coming downward from the keyboard this way, it is a flat of that natural keys. I want you to feel free and drop your questions in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this class, and ask me your questions so I can get to explain very well for you, so you can understand this better. Thank you very much. Subscribe to this channel so you can get more videos. I hope to see you in our next class. Let me know if you understand this so we can proceed.